Shubor na Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
All Primary School Teachers Association kala Rakhe kalingkho dap South Snem kajongka kabalalong haka arpu artarik benai jeliu arajar arpu hador bars nong lumpulon batlum siap jayau. Haga tegasngi ka kongsan kade ka Professor Streamlet dakar kabade ka chairperson ka EIPC bat ka former Dean School of Humanities Nihu usembut kongsan ude uba JA Marwen ubade in charge ka SDSEO Shalong bat usong kunor ude uba 24th War president ka EPSTA layo ka jingpen bernyaru haka tegasngi da kisur jingroi na kinohikai ka mayrang unit EPSTA Maukan raw unit APSTA ka jingshat ni kinohikai ka marbisu unit APSTA bat ka jingroi na unohikai udas kemlingdo ka mayrang unit APSTA Kibala ay jingkran hakati kasngi kikantop ya ka kongsan usembut kongsan u General Secretary ka APSTA uba FC Shulai bat ya ka jingdwai pli ya ka program layo no uba ND Marsing bat ya ka jingkublay ngongu layo no uba kamay lang nong klaw uba Secretary ka Apashalong Unit APSTA Laseng ya ka APSTA haka arpun ritarek ubnay jiliw khatkhandai spa prabuar Henry namar ba hakani Snem kahap hakasngi ublay kom tala Rakhe no menta kasngi ka arpu artaring.
Apsta injomi kalale tribun kam hari Jingïaid ibalong mai mo ibalong serios
began with the introduction of the Romance script by Thomas Jones I, a Welsh missionary who came to Khasi Hills along with his wife Anne Jones on 22nd June 1841. He was from Beru, Montgomeryshire, and came to Sora, those days we called it Chirapanji, and he came here to preach the gospel. Currently, the Khasi people are celebrating its 180th year of our written language and literature. It should also be borne in mind that the writing of Khasi language was first introduced by William Curry and Krishna Chandrapal way back in 1813 from the Serampore Baptist Mission in Bengali script, adapting the Shela dialect. Reverend Smutho yaka Jingïaid kren ki jong ki brio lesi ushim yaka bagalong ketian kabiyan chan ha da ba wanra yaki Roman alphabet bagi kan stream bat ka ketian English kumno ti namar ba usinyang jong Thomas Jones long crowd shisha ti spas nem ka ba arway UI la aina mi ka kerteng jong Thomas Jones kabani kong da ba na play ya Thomas Jones School of Mission ha ka ap de juli arja ban ai jingkai ya kinong tradition jong kabala na kleng jala ru na Bangladesh hadin ta la thairu ya Thomas Jones Senior College ha Juwai but la thairu ya umat jong Thomas Jones Hangnia Senior College jaya nanda Thomas Jones udah banyo udah bandon hok banyo ya kenam ya keburom hak negeri jungi ban kenmau nak benta ki kajing kentiu jong ya kan yang Kristen bat ru ban be sembai jong kapule kaputi nagabda ka jingnang jingsta jongi ki long din hadu katni ki bangilong di kini ki school mission ki jong u Thomas Jones hasora kini yang kum ka sakhi ka bala ka ba lawanra da school mission mo henry ka bang yu i ya ka jingkit kli yu i ka jing yu i jngai yu i ka thong mana ka banda ka lawai jong ka jai henry na ko ban ling ya ka ni dia haba phiyo ya u General Secretary Jumpi Kamnyar kanu ka association ka ban continue na do baseng ka ka Snem Shiajar kandai spa prabu ar ha do benta ba un continue la ne un beten ko General Secretary na try ki paro ki khot jong ka association jong ki san hu kandai ka li unit na try POEAA how ne rangba ka baning ko let's say POE ya o long ya lam. The real leader is a leader who leads and who along with him, irrespective of age, irrespective of community, you are the best teachers in the world. And also when I realize, the grievances, the issues that the Apsta had already fought for you. I always talk to many, government officials at my own level. Why teachers, primary teachers have been discriminated? If we, the teachers at the university, getting the salary, lakhs of rupees, and we still grumble, and we still, lament on the needs of our everyday life. What about the primary teachers who hardly get a regular salary? See, we have seen and we have witnessed, the working of our state government.
Habang ipuli, kita orang itu lupa blessed this belasang balai itu kak meningkong hadu balai dep keren itu mungkin tin bagadan kapor bat kayom jiki baro kapor ban kha bat kapor ban yap bat kum ta dep hagaju kapor lu habang phadin Shakish Posni Kibalade Mandaksni Arpua Agabakum Gayin Iladuno Yakun Sirang Ubaye Ujongi Ulino Yangapa Yagakmi Yakimen kentei bat para kentei kecumu persan seberang bat kentei bolehnya sekejaka agak melakre naga benta cumu kapor bat Snem kalau mengikut Nreikum kikimi kipa idan kami bat kejengkemen bat kata kalau bangi sukmen habaki kun kilay aswa jungi mila magdep om tangi ko bakhan ki om dan pendhe kusan ki rei wat hadu ko ban pendep ya kamet ke jungi daga jingduai ke jumpi kinong ikai kapelong yang aku di kumangalong ngayon ko bor ngayon ay kajingmen hapdeng kijing smosi oy kiyin kalatuli namar badai tangmar wi shunra ndrei ni hun misuk namar ki bangin ba
I am very much delighted to know that the Apsta had reached the 40th anniversary, which is a remarkable milestone to all of us in the teaching community. I would therefore like to express my gratitude to the organizing committee and to all the members of Apsta for organizing this program to mark the 40 years of its existence. My thanks also goes to the chief guest who is here with us. His presence, her presence has inspired us all. And my special thanks goes to all the President and Secretary, to the President and Secretary of the General Body of Apsta, and to all the office bearers from the different units of Apsta. That is from East, East and West, West Cassius, Sora, Nongpo, and all the other units which I cannot mention here. I would also like to congratulate to members, especially from Shillong municipality area. As Bashulai has already informed us that before, few of them take active participation in any program that the Apsta has been organized. But now, a special thanks goes to the Shillong municipality area and to all the other units which come from far away from here, from Shillong, that is from Biboy, from West Cassius, and from Sora. Let's not forget to apprise the struggle of the founder members of Apsta and to those teachers who are involved in the formation of Apsta in the year 1982. Some of them have retired, while some have expired. But I take this opportunity to congratulate to all of them too. It's an honor and a great pleasure for me to share with you on this auspicious occasion. It is a day of celebration